Okay everybody, I'm going to show you how to fix these errors for the Xbox app. The first thing you want to try, and by the way, if this video helps you, please subscribe, it really helps me. Okay, the first thing you want to try is to unenroll from the Xbox Insider program. So how do you do that? Go to the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox Insider Hub. You want to get it or install it. After it has installed, you want to open it, and then you want to log in with the Microsoft account that's tied to your Xbox or Game Pass. Now once you're logged in, click on Settings, click on Manage Devices. Now when you see Manage Devices, you should be able to see your PC if it's affected, and then remove it from the Insider program, select Done, restart your PC, and then you can uninstall this Xbox Insider from your PC. The next thing you can try is to go into the Xbox app. Click on Run in the search bar. This Run dialog will come up. Type in wsreset.exe. This will come up, and this will clean the cache for the Windows store, and then restart your PC to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is try to reinstall the gaming services via PowerShell. Okay, how do you do that? Type in PowerShell, right click on this, click Run as Administrator. This black dialog box will come up, and from here there is a code that you should copy and paste. It's right here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to install it, but whoops. Just this part. All users, you want to run this code, which will uninstall the gaming services, restart your PC, and it should prompt to reinstall gaming services automatically. If it doesn't, you run this PowerShell once again as administrator, and then run here. Run this in PowerShell and open the store page and install. And check for updates in the Xbox app. And last but not least, something you can try is to go offline. So unplug your PC to whatever, just make yourself offline, whatever you need to do. Uninstall the games while you're offline, reinstall your PC, then reconnect to your internet, and check for updates in the Xbox app. And this has fixed the issue for some people. It sounds weird, but give it a shot. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.